Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with another video. Hope you guys are doing great and I'm doing well as well. And before jumping into the video, I just want to give you the same thing which I've repeated several times. If you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support, guys. And after this video, I'm planning to do a giveaway as I promised. If we cross 195 subscribers, yes, I'm gonna do a giveaway. That would be my next video. Stay tuned for that one. And let's jump into today's video. I'm gonna review this lip palette today, which is by Bonjour Paris, and it is a product manufactured by Vivo Cosmetics, and it's a product from Cherry Cosmo, and it is located in Mumbai. So that is what it says. And one main reason why I want to do this video is like, why should we just carry a single lipstick? Or if you want multiple lipstick, you have to carry 2 or 3 bullet or liquid lipstick in your handbag. Lip palette comes in handy. What if if you want to go for a party suddenly in the evening and you want to bang on red color which you don't have on that day? So whether it is a lip palette, you have multiple choices according to your mood, according to your dress, or according to the occasion. We can change it immediately, and it is easy to carry just one single palette, not a lot of lipsticks in the handbag. Obviously we guys have like 1 or 2 lipsticks in our handbag. It's better like we have a lip palette. That is what I thought, and I carried it and it helped me really good. So I thought of just reviewing this one. I already used most of the shaders here, and I used this one today just to check whether it suits me because it looks like brown on the palette. Let's go to the color later, and it is in the shade 08. That is what I have. You can see the sticker here. And one thing I'm happy is it's an Indian product, and one thing I'm not happy is there's no ingredients mentioned anywhere on the box or anywhere on the actual product. And this is how the outer box looks like. Hope you guys can read it. And the price of this is $390. It comes with 2 to 3 years of expiry, and it is 9.5 grams of weight. And the only thing which it says is like it says it's a creamy lip color, and you can use any lip brush like this to apply this. That's the only thing they have mentioned it. Other than that, there is no other information, but you still see where it is manufactured and who did this and all. So it says Bonjour Paris Professional Lip Palette, and one thing which I'm so happy about it is it says vitamin E enriched. That is the only information which we have about the ingredient. That's the only con I have about this lipstick palette. And I did wear it several times and it was comfortable on the lips. The one which I'm wearing now is the red one from this palette. Let me show that closer to you. And I will swatch it on my hands as well, so that I dropped the brush. Let me take that later. And this is how it looks like, a closer look. And I'm just having this one, the red one, on my lips first. So let me show you all the colors on my lips, and you guys can decide how it looks on me. And then if you're really interested, please invest your money on your palettes, that it will help you a lot. And the price of this palette is $390, which is super affordable. You get 5 lipstick just for 400 rupees. And I got this from Smitten, and there was a deal. I just got it for like 50 off. That's how I got this. So I will put the links in the description box below. I think it is available in Smitten, Nykaa, I'm not sure, guys. You guys can check that out. It's available everywhere, and I do see some of the subscription boxes included this in their bag, so it's quite familiar with all the people, I think. Also, and I was speaking about the longevity and how comfortable it is. It's really comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, it's really stays for a long time, but it just leaves a stain on your lips. If you guys are like me, who love the stain on the lips, like a little bit of reddy, or like if you are gonna apply a pink one, you have a pinkish lips, even after that, it gets off from your lips. That's good. And it is not transfer proof. It is not a liquid lip. It's completely creamy, and the formula of each and everything, even though it's a single palette, even though it's from the same company, the formula of each and every color like a little bit different, because this red one is completely creamy and it has a satin finish, but this one is here, it kinds of give you a powder matte finish. I'm just so confused about it, how they come up with different formulae in a single palette. That was interesting but weird as well. So let's quickly stop speaking and jump into the video and you can see how it looks like. I will show you by applying one specific color. Other than that, I'm gonna just change the colors and come back in front of the camera so that you guys can see how it looks on me. And it's a thumbs up from me. You can go for this product or any lip palette so that you can jump into any look you want instantly. Let's get started, guys. Yes guys, I'm gonna apply this color now on the lips. And if you guys are wondering which makeup remover I use, there is no wonders. I'm using Garnier Micellar Water. I'm about to finish and I've already restocked it, so it's so good. Go get it, guys. If you're still in the oscillation whether you want to buy that micellar water or not, just go get it. It's really good. And I'm just taking a lot of product. When it comes to application, I think you need really more amount of product. And this is kind of really light color, but I have a kind of like pigmented lips, so I'm just taking more products. I'm gonna apply it in front of a few people now, only this shade, and after that I'm gonna jump in to the colors and then I'll just show you how it looks like. I just don't want to give you a really big video. Come on guys, nobody have time for that. So let me quickly apply. And this is a lip brush from a random brand, and I bought this from Flipkart or Amazon, I think. Flipkart, and the name is Naked 3, number 3. That's what printed on this brush. You guys see it? Okay. And I'm not sure what the price. It's kind of a box with 9 lip brushes, sorry, 9 brushes, not lip brushes. And as I said, my lips are really pigmented. I needed more color, but this is how it looks like. So this is the color right here. I should have started with a specific order. This is the color right here I'm wearing on my lips. You see, it's completely different because my lips is pigmented. So this is how it looks like, and it is so creamy. You see, it's completely different than the red one. The formula is completely different. So this is how it looks like. Let's see the next. Yes guys, I'm back with this specific color here. First shade is the red, and the second shade which you saw is this, and the third one is this. This is how it looks on my lips. Yes guys, I'm back with this color, which is nothing but the brown shade which is here. You guys like it? This is how it looks on me. And the last one is this one. I'm gonna put this on, and that's the end of the video. And this is the color which I have on my lips right now. Like it, guys? I think you guys like that one. So let me give you the quick swatch on my hands so that you can see the colors. So this, I'm gonna start from here. Okay, the one which I'm wearing now. This is the first shade. Okay, and the second one is the red, obviously the one which I started with this video. This is the red, and this is the third one which is here. It's kind of pink family. I didn't take much product. Only while applying all these colors together, I noticed one thing, which is these three are the red, the pink, and this one. It's kind of a little bit extra creamy, and it has a satin finish. But this one, and the one with the first and the last one, is kind of matte, guys. Doesn't have much satin finish to it. So these are the 5 shades in this order. I'm going to show you. Okay, these are the 5 shades. Kind of this brown kind of looks equivalent to the red, and the third, these 3 can look same here, but when you see it on your lips it's completely different. And again, you can build the colors like applying 2 or 3 coats. So that's the review, and that's the end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to hear from you guys. Love you all. Bye bye.